Hi guys! It has been a long time since I have spoken to you like this and updated you on what is going on with my channel and my life and updates with the shop and everything. So I guess first off, the reason that I have been so inactive for the past few years is because I had a job that took so much of my time, not just physically like exhausting, which it was, but I worked over an hour away from my home, so I would commute there, work all day, and then commute back another hour in time. So I would get home at like 6:30 or 7, depending on how bad traffic was, and I would not have time to work on my art or do anything other than maybe make something for dinner and eat. Or I would go out to eat, which took up a lot of time and money also. I've just been neglecting my physical health. I've been neglecting my art, which I think is very directly correlated with my mental health. Over 4 years of this has made me not as happy as I feel I should be, especially with my working environment, my job, and what I want to do going forward with my career, I guess you could say. So I did find a new job. Today was my last day. It is October 8th and I just got home at 6:15 p.m. and that's about the time I get home every day. I wanted to make this video just to update you on what's going to happen going forward and what you can expect from me on my channel. And I'm making TikToks. I'm going to start doing that with footage that I create for this channel, probably recycling some of it and some of it might be original. I'll put all of the links for that in the description, so if you are interested in following me there, please feel free to do so. No obligation on anything I do here. I'm just really nervous and excited to have more time. And when I say that, I mean the new job that I have secured at the moment is 6 a.m. to at the latest 3 p.m. So I should be getting home around 3:15 or 3 something, and I'll have at least 3 more hours per day to do things, along with the pay is okay. It's not as good as I was getting paid before, but it is living wage based off of how much I was spending on gas. If you calculate that in, I'm making about the same. So there were several reasons that I quit the last job. It has nothing to do with the people there, lots of other reasons. But the new job is a little more, you know, casual and lax as far as what it is and everything. I might go into that later. I'm not quite sure if I want to yet, but I'm very excited and nervous. I've been at that job for 4 years. That's the longest I've ever had a job. And I did cry a little bit today, and I've never cried when leaving a job. Usually it's like I'm ready to get out. And this one, it was a little bittersweet. So yeah, everyone was super nice and got me like a cookie cake and everything. And I'll miss them and I'll miss everything that I did there. It was a clothing company and yeah, it was great. But I want to work on my business and my brand and the things that I want to create and sell. And that includes t-shirts and clothing as well. And I kind of feel like it was a conflict of interest personally. Like they didn't care if I did my own, but personally I felt like I had a problem with that. So that is another little reason why I left, is because I want to work on my own brand. I make t-shirts now, and also I'm going to be buying some through a company if it's more complicated of a design, so that I can sell those. I want to have more options in my shops. I have a eBay, an Etsy, and a Mercari at the moment. Mercari is where I just sell random things from my house or resale things that I know I can make a little bit of money on the side. That's a side hustle for sure. My Etsy and my eBay are my main source of income for my store, because eBay I sell fan art and Pokemon hats and the things that I used to sell on Etsy that started getting like copyright claimed. So I've moved those to eBay, which both of those links will be in the description if you want to check out the kinds of inventory I sell there. I sell all of the hats on eBay, but only some of the hats go on Etsy because everything has to be original now. And yeah, I'm doing bookmarks. I want to do t-shirts and more clothing, accessories, and things like that. So that's kind of what I'm getting into. I want you guys to join me, and I want to come up with some nice branding, packaging, and how I send off orders. I want it to elevate and become more than just like a yellow envelope that you get in the mail. I want it to be a little bit more personalized, at least when you open the package, and look nice and presentable, and actually create a brand for myself, because this is something I've been doing for years and I've just never had the time to focus on those kinds of things. So I'm hoping to get into that. It might be a slow process. Some of this is going to take some money investment, which I do have a little bit, but not a lot. So it's going to be a slow but sure ease into that. But I'm very excited. I was thinking on the way home after I had a little cry moment about how excited I was to actually get back into what I love, because at the old job I was just that. I only got to do it on the weekends, and then sometimes I wanted to spend time with friends or family, so that took away so much time. And then I would be exhausted some days and just be so overwhelmed with things I wanted to do that I couldn't do anything, if you know what I'm talking about. My anxiety just kind of swells up and turns into that sometimes, and I can't get anything done. So my housework was failing. My husband helps, of course, but I still have my half that I need to do, and I struggle with it sometimes. So that's something that hopefully all of these things will be elevated a little bit at a time till I get used to the new schedule, and then I will know what kinds of things I'm capable of doing and posting here for you. This is something I really want to do, is document my journey as an artist and a small business owner, I guess. And I'm very excited. So I hope you guys are still here. Thank you for following me. I don't have a lot to give you right now, but I will be posting content here more regularly, and I hope to have a schedule down pat eventually. I just want to let you know that there's more coming, and I really appreciate everything you guys have done for me. All the business that I've gotten over the past few years has been more than I can imagine, especially with me not advertising anything, not making a ton of new stock, only basically selling what I have pre-made. And it's been great. It has helped us sometimes pay rent, so I appreciate that a lot. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the future of my business and my channel here. And I'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye, guys.